Hello, fellow wanderers and aspiring globetrotters. I'm Nikhil, your travel companion, and today we are delving into the essence of a seamless and enriching travel experience. We've condensed it all into 10 golden rules that can turn your journey into an adventure of a lifetime. So grab a notepad and let's dive into the heart of traveling wisdom. Rule of open mindedness. First and foremost, embrace an open mind. The beauty of travel lies in its ability to broaden perspectives. Be open to new cultures, traditions, and ideas. Remember, the world is diverse, and your journey becomes infinitely richer when you approach it with an open heart and an open mind. Rule of versatile packing. Rule number two, pack light, pack smart. It's a golden rule for a reason. Versatility is key. Choose clothing items that can be mixed and matched and opt for items with multiple uses. This way, you're prepared for any adventure that comes your way and you won't be weighed down by unnecessary baggage. Rule of local connections. Connect with the heartbeat of the destination, its locals. Rule number three is about fostering those genuine connections, engage with the locals, share stories, and be respectful guests in their home. You'll discover hidden gems and create memories that transcend guidebooks. Rule of flexible planning. Rule number four, plan but be flexible. While having a rough itinerary is crucial, leave room for spontaneity. Some of the most incredible experiences happen when you allow yourself to deviate from the plan. Leave space for serendipity. Now, if you're finding these rules insightful, imagine having access to more travel wisdom and incredible destinations. That's where my YouTube community comes in. By hitting that subscribe button, you're joining a community of explorers and adventure seekers just like you. Rule of authenticity. Number 5 is the rule of authenticity. Seek the genuine experiences. Step off the beaten path. Try local cuisines and immerse yourself in the culture. Authenticity is the spice of travel that makes each journey uniquely yours. Rule of mindful exploration. Be a mindful traveler. That's rule number 6. Respect the environment, the local customs, and the people. Leave a positive impact on the places you visit. Remember, sustainable travel ensures that these beautiful destinations remain for generations to come. Rule of cultural curiosity. Rule number 7 is all about cultural curiosity. Learn a few local phrases, understand the history, and appreciate the art. By immersing yourself in the culture, you'll find a deeper connection to the places you visit. So here's your passport to more than just places, my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you're not just a viewer, you're an integral part of a global community of explorers. We're all about sharing the love for travel, and we want you on this journey with us. Rule of spontaneous adventures. Embrace spontaneous adventures. That's rule number 8. Sometimes the best experiences happen when you least expect them. Say yes to opportunities, be it a last minute detour or an unexpected invitation. Those are the moments that become lifelong stories. Rule of tech-free moments. Rule number 9 encourages you to have tech-free moments. That's very important. While smartphones and gadgets are invaluable tools for travel, don't forget to unplug. Take in the scenery, savor the flavors, and appreciate the present moment. Some of the best memories are made when you're fully present. If you're nodding along and eager for more travel insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you're not just supporting the channel, you're becoming part of a community that values exploration, connection, and shared adventures. Rule of lifelong learning. Last but not the least, rule number 10. Be a lifelong learner. Every journey is an opportunity to learn and grow. Whether it's trying a new skill, understanding a different perspective, or uncovering the history of a place. Embrace the joy of continuous learning through travel. So there you have it, our 10 golden rules of traveling. Subscribe, like, and share your favorite travel rule in the comments. Until next time, fellow adventurers, happy travels.